Absolutely not. I'm not practicing any Kung Fu or Karate. See, as a biker, since the last couple of years, I've been talking about the great things about biking. Why do I like riding and all that for long distances? But I've never spoken about the things that I don't like about biking. It's wearing heavy and hot riding gear. Riding gear makes you feel bulky, fat, hugging you, making you feel claustrophobic. It makes you look like an astronaut. It restricts your movement because the fabric is so thick, especially when you're doing city rides and especially when you're doing like breakfast rides of 100, 150 kilometers. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, presenting to you the new age, crisp, stylish, swag-filled riding jacket. The Levi's riding jacket in collaboration with Royal Enfield. In Shriman Kotaru's signature 120 shots coming up in 3, 2, 1. Doesn't that jacket look so cool? You're protecting all your upper body, but what about your lowers? Well, to complement this cool Levi's riding jacket, we have the Levi's Royal Enfield riding pant as well, riding jeans. But where is the protection? Hang on, 1 second. Well, the best part about this riding jacket is inside you have pockets to insert armor. Your choice of armor. Level 1, level 2, D3O. I have all types of armor. This is the D3O armor. This is the back protection. Similarly, you can insert shoulder protection and elbow protection. And you have a great riding jacket. Same thing with the riding pant as well. Oh man, look at this jeans. Looks like any other jeans, but it has protection. That's like crazy. Isn't this jeans cool and so flexible? Look at that nice slim fit. Now definitely I don't look like an astronaut. This is how a rider should look, especially if you're doing a short weekend ride. If your plan is to go for a ride and then chill at a coffee shop, have a great time at a pub, have a good dinner with your wife or your girlfriend, you prefer going on a bike with protection and style and swag like this. And like I told you, it's not just style. Man, I'm so excited with this new gear. It's so flexible. I can even properly work out. There's still armor in this and I can properly flex, no problem. If I still feel it's a little bit restrictive, all I have to do is unzip this and pull away the armor, and you have a more flexible jeans. Now let's go test it out on a proper real motorcycle in the real world. Fortunately, we're going for a breakfast ride, so let's hit the roads in swag this time. And oh, 1 second. This jacket has been designed by Levi's in collaboration with Royal Enfield. They put a lot of thought into it. There's proper mesh inside so that you have proper ventilation. Apart from that, you have nice reflectors here. That is one reflector, and even on the pants you have a reflector. I'm pretty sure it's not so visible in this shot, but when you flash a light on it, you can visibly see it. Surprise, surprise, we are not going to ride my usual bike. To complement a proper denim jacket, we have a perfect bike to ride. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Shriman Kotaru style, 120 fps shots of the Royal Enfield Interceptor.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you.
Chalo, nice and sunny day. Actually, it just stopped raining literally like last night. A little cloudy right now, but hopefully there shouldn't be any heavy rain. That would definitely ruin our weekend ride. So yeah, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Hello, I hope everyone is doing great. What a beautiful day to ride, and as you guys can see, I'm riding the Interceptor. I've always liked this bike, yeah. Fortunately, there was one in the group. Naresh owns this bike, and I borrowed it from him for a couple of days. I mean, why? Because I wanted to get a hang of it. I wanted to really test ride it a lot. I want to keep it for a couple of days and see maybe it will suit my needs. You see, actually, when I sold my old bike, I thought actually I can manage with a normal, basic gearless scooter for my daily commute. But then after a couple of months, I realized that I need a bike. I need a gear bike. And if I feel this is the right bike for me, and especially, because I love classics as my secondary bike, I might consider this as an option. And the army area is coming up. You guys know the drill. We have to shut the camera here. No photography allowed. See you guys directly at my friend's place in 3, 2, 1. I hope this guy doesn't make me wait. Let me give him a call. This is one really fancy feature I love about this riding pant. See this? The pocket here is placed for proper functionality, you know. Usually you need to get down off the bike or maybe stand and take out your mobile from your usual jeans pocket, but this is so strategically placed. So you just unzip, pull out the phone, call karo, girlfriend ko message karo, do whatever, and slide it back in. Chalo, let's begin the ride. Time is around 3:40 p.m. Had to be on the highway at 3 o'clock. Thanks to my friend Sujan. 40 minutes late kiya. We'll meet Aditya and Edwin on the NH, what NH yaar? I always forget these NH numbers. NH 44, I guess, yes. And Samne I can see some crazy, scary dark clouds. Damn. No, please, no rain today. I don't want that. Arey wah, ye kya ho gaya? I'm not missing Ladakh at all. It's all here. आराम से. Okay, here we enter the NH44. Left jao, you go to Bangalore. Right jao, you'll be going all the way to Kashmir. Chalo, the other two riders are gonna wait on this particular highway. As usual, I forgot to tell you guys where are we heading. Nothing like a crazy destination or something like that. We're just heading out for a quick breakfast ride. Or a weekend ride actually. Breakfast time to ho gaya. Okay, talking about the real world feel of this jacket while sitting on the bike, it definitely doesn't feel like I'm wearing any gear at all. It actually feels like I'm just wearing a normal shirt. It's slim, it's light, and it's not at all constricting my movement, nor the pant is limiting my sitting posture on the bike. Perfect, yeah. It's nicely taking the shape of my body and it feels very airy and comfortable. Yes, that is most important. Because usually if you wear riding gear and all that, you feel very hot inside. This doesn't feel like that, and especially suits such short breakfast weekend rides, whatever you want to call it. Also, the pant and the jacket, both of them have nice Cordura construction, which means it's got higher abrasion resistance than your regular denim material. It's almost like 5 times stronger than your regular jeans. So don't mistake that this is a regular denim jacket with just armor in it. No. Even the textile has so much strength in it. It's definitely 5 times stronger than your typical jeans. And one more great feature about the pants is that it's got a higher rise on the back side, especially near the waist, so that it doesn't slide down easily. Because usually when I sit on a bike with regular jeans, what happens is my waist goes so low. The view definitely gets uncomfortable for the rider behind me. Also, this jacket has got nice zip pockets in the front. You can have more room for some essentials. Alright, I think we've reached the place. Let's stop here for some quick coffee break and let me have my famous snack, my beloved tiffin box with oats and stuff. Chalo, let's do that and quickly get out.
Look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss, look almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you.
You know what? I just realized something. That today even my bike is a tube bike.
పంచర్ అవ్వాలి సాలేగా అప్పుడు నీకు తెలుస్తా మా బాధ.
Pressure return. Bidigot.
నా పేరు ఎడ్విన్ పిట్టిలాడే ప్రసాద్.
లైఫ్ కూడా పిట్టిలాడుతూనే ఉంటుంది.
పిట్టలతో కాదురా,
నేనే చెప్పాను
కాదు
పిట్టలతో అల్లాడుతూ ఉంటుంది.
మన సికింద్రాబాద్ రైల్వే స్టేషన్కి వెళ్ళి ఏ పెళ్లిగాని ప్రసాద్ అని అడుగుతాం రా.
అరే ఎన్నిసార్లు చూస్తే మల్లేశ్వర సినిమా ప్రసాద్తో కలుపుతావు అర నువ్వు.
Actually, Edwin's name is a very big name. Edwin.
పిట్టా ఎడ్విన్ ప్రసాద్.
పెప్
అంతేనా? 3 words ఉంది. Pitta Edwin Prasad.
అంటే పెప్
Peppa.
పీపీ పెప్.
సో మీరు పెప్పర్ పిలుస్తారా?
స్కూటీ పెప్ చిన్న ఉంటాడు కదా.
వచ్చి చూసినా చిన్న
చిన్నప్పటి చేస్తారు
అన్ని గవే ఉన్నాయి. Once again,
నాదంతా లానే
tiffin box batch. We need to still continue doing this. Sujan, what is this?
వీడు తెచ్చిన చికెన్ బిర్యానీ.
Chicken biryani. Gar ka? Very good. Still continuing to do this. How many days, how many years do we need to do this? వీడు ఎప్పుడైతే వ్యాక్సిన్ ఉంటాడో అసలు
ఏమైందిరా 27 రోజు ప్రొడక్షన్ స్టార్ట్ అయిందా?
By the way, Aditya, Edwin and Suju, tell me how is my attire today?
వీకెండ్ రా మన్మధరాజా.
I didn't ask about myself. I'm asking about the attire because usually I wear my riding gear, heavy riding gear, right?
ఈ బట్టలు ఏంటి, ప్యాంట్ ఏంటి, జాకెట్ ఏంటి?
ఏదో డైలాగ్ కోసం చెప్తున్నాడు, వర్కౌట్
అయిందిలే.
రేపు పొద్దున అమ్మాయి కూడా అదే అంటది. కొంచెం బటన్స్ అంత వద్దురా రే. I just realized it has mesh and breathing and all that. So
seriously,
I think
there is so much of ventilation in it. See, one of the best things, I'll show you something. Just hold this. Come down. See, there is a proper there is proper armor here. See,
నేను కొడతా ఇక్కడ.
okay, proper armor here. Now we are at a coffee shop. So what do we do? I'm not comfortable. Unzip this and then you can just remove the armor. Now it becomes a nice flexible normal jeans. Isn't that cool? Okay, are we done? Are we leaving?
Yeah, let's go home.
Let's go home. We'll go out somewhere. Today is Sunday, dude. Edwin, you suggest somewhere.
Are we not meeting someone?
We can meet. Actually, Chaitanya said he wants to meet us today. We have some weird... One second. We have some weird aliens here who are making different sounds from their...
Asses?
I know you'll say that. I know someone will say that. Who is making different weird sounds.
అంటే వాడు వాట్సాప్ ఇట్లాంటి బిట్టు ఫిగర్ పెట్టాడు అదిరా. అందుకే ఆదిత్య
They're making... What is that sound called? Snapping sound, huh? This sound from their ears. From their ears. How do you do that? First, Suju. इसका वॉल्यूम इज लाइक 5 उसका
ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ వచ్చేసింది కాబట్టి ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ వోంట్ కమ్.
కథలో చెయ్యి इसका वॉल्यूम इज लाइक 8
అది కొంచెం ఎక్కువసేపు కాబట్టి ఉంటుందిరా. లాస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ ఓకే.
నేను కొడతా ఇంకా సౌండ్ ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది.
రావట్లేదు.
How do you do this? I'll try. ఇట్లానా I'm pretty sure a lot of my subscribers can do it.
ఇది ఉందా దాని కింద ఫింగర్ పెట్టి ఇట్లా లేపుతావు. సో అది నీ స్కిన్ కి టచ్ అయ్యి లోపల స్కిన్ కి టచ్ అయ్యి సౌండ్
I have a nail. मेरा तो कुछ साउंड नहीं आ रहा बट योर ईयर ड्रम इज गोना ब्लास्ट బాగున్నారా మీ వింత ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయి ఇట్లాంటివి I can do one thing. I have a small trick. I'll show you. I can move my ears.
You know what I can do?
It seems Aditya can move something else other than ears. What is that?
Hands ra. ఏదో తెలుసా? I can move my chest.
King Kong వరకు కొట్టు. If you have muscles, you can do that. Sujan, don't try. Like seriously, whatever shouldn't happen, that exactly happened. Yesterday was clear skies, today was clear skies, but no, Sriman Kodar is riding. Come on, he's on the road. Let's start raining. Not just raining, let's smash rain. Let's do some tufan. And yes, I definitely enjoyed the jacket so much. If you're someone who is looking for proper comfort, style, without compromising on safety, then I think this jacket is for you. This jeans is for you. All the links will be in the description in case you're interested to buy it. So then I hope you guys have liked this video. Do not leave the video without hitting the like button. In case you're still not subscribed, you know what to do. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Tata. Bye. Take care.